Your girl is serving black Morticia, honey, okay, with this straight Yaki hair. She is giving all of the black Morticia. Tell me I'm not. Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying. Okay? Tell me I'm lying.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good things, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig. Shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and all of the goodies. Shout out to y'all for the goodies, because your girl loves a good goodie. Okay, shout out to y'all for that. I truly, truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is, the name is Yaki 001. The texture is Yaki. The length is 20 inches. The hair color is a natural hair color. And the cap size is a cap size 2, which is a circumference of 22.5. And the cap construction is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, and is 160% disty. Well, baby. Where's the 160, girl? Okay, like y'all coming through with the come through. Okay, so I'm not even gonna go on the site because I think it's kind of unnecessary, but I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box so you guys can check out any more details and specs, because when it comes to wigs like these, it depends on what all you get as far as the pricing and stuff goes. Now, I do want to go ahead and start with this hairline because, honey, she woke up like this. Honey, she woke up like this.
I woke up like this, with flawless.
Like, girl, she woke up like this. Y'all, I did not touch this hairline whatsoever. Okay? I did not bleach these knots. I ain't touch them. I ain't touched this wig, honey. I barely straightened it. Like, I got my flat iron plugged and I hadn't even flat ironed this wig. Literally, she woke up like this. Like, I did run like my hot comb through it, but not even the whole wig, just this front area, like you guys have probably seen in the beginning of this video. That's it. That's all this unit took. I do want to go ahead and mention, I think this is a new lace. Let me look, because you guys know they be sending me stuff and I be like, look, girl, I ain't nobody actress. I can't read no script. The focus on this unit is the new air lace plus the Yaki texture. Like, y'all know I love a good Yaki. The lace on this wig, y'all, I don't know what they doing. I don't know what they did, but honey, look at this lace. Girl, what lace? What lights, and if you were to come up on me, honey, all up in my face and all up in my grill, then you would see lace. But literally, this lace is phenomenal. You guys know I struggle with the glueless thing, especially over here with the ears. But I did try to include a clip where you guys could kind of see, even before I sprayed it down, other than, you know, like my sides being lifted, just looking at the unit, I really feel like you could wear this wig glueless. Now, me, it's a struggle. I have, I don't know if it's how my hairline, my head is made, or it's all about these big yams, honey, because I got some, do you see them? I got some big ears. So it could be a combination of the both or one or the other. But I do feel like if you don't have that issue, you could definitely wear this wig glueless with no issue whatsoever. Because like this, other than it lifting over there where my ears are, just the lace in general looked really, really nice. So yeah, shout out to them for that. As far as shedding and tangling, there has been none of the things, honey. Okay, none of the things. And this Yaki hair looks like a blowout, girl. It just does. It is everything. Okay, so yeah, as far as it being big head friendly, with all of their units, I would recommend you get whatever size you actually wear, and that's just like what I always say. If you wear a small, get a small. If you wear a large, get a large. To me, I mean, get a medium. To me, the mediums do gear more towards medium to large head friendly, but they, like I said, they also have the small. So just get your size. That's what I would recommend. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. You guys know what my con is with all units that are more high-end, less work wigs. It just like seems to be a trend with them. Is that right here, like it's a 13 by 6. So as you see this part go on and on and on. Girl can go on some more. Like on and on. But as far as the sides and doing a deep part, like it stops right here. And that is always my con with these units. So I have to give you guys something, and that's just gonna be it, girl. Okay? That's gonna be it. My pros is the texture, the hairline. I also want to go ahead and mention that I did use their wig knot healer. It says no bleaching on there, and I did use this, so I love that as well. Just the fact that it's super beginner friendly, in my opinion, as far as frontals go. That's purely my opinion, honey. I ain't nobody's expert. But to me, as far as frontals go, this one is very, very beginner friendly. So, and the texture, did I say the texture? Y'all, the texture is life. So yeah, those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend this wig. I have never gotten a wig from this company that I would not recommend, y'all. Like, they be coming through with their units. And this one is no different. Like, I love everything about this unit. I really do. I keep looking at myself like, hey, hey. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys a full 360 and length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am really feeling this wig like a lot. I don't want to take it off. I got other videos to film this week, and I just don't want to take it off because I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions I feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. Stop pressing that one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helps Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Love completely got every style.